Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to convert your HEIC picture or photos into the JPEG so that you can transfer the photos into Android or another devices. So to do that, you just need to open the photo library, and then you just need to pick the picture that you have been taken with your iPhone camera. So here's the example how to check the format of this picture. You just need to click this I symbol right here, and there will be scenes here the format of the picture. So the format will be an HEIF or HEIC. So you just need to go back into the pictures versions and go click these three small dots, and right after that go click copy. Now you just need to go back home and open your files, and you just need to pick the folders that you want to place the pictures to. And after you got them, you just need to go click and hold the empty space, click and hold, and there will be pop up several options, and then you just need to go click paste. And now you already got this picture into the JPEG format. So now you're ready to send them into the Android. So that's the way how to convert the HEIC picture into the JPEG. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.